Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Tesco Clubcard in UK. So the first thing you need to do is just open up any browser and then open up tesco.com, and once you open it, what you need to do is simply click on this register button at the top, and once you click on that, this will show you this page. From here you have to enter your account details such as your email address and the password, and make sure your password satisfy the following criteria such as 8 to 45 characters, no space, one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number or special character. And once you create a strong password, scroll down a bit and simply select on this option, I like to join Clubcard today. And once you click on that, you need to provide your personal details. So simply enter your personal details, first name, last name, phone number and address, and then simply click on this create account. And once you create your account, the Tesco team will contact you and ask for your personal details. So simply give them your personal details and they will verify your identity. Once you do that, you will be able to get your Tesco Club Card in UK. So that is how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.